45 kilometers in altitude, and geostationary orbits are at 36,000 kilometers in altitude. So this burn is going to move GovSat into that higher space. That second stage burn is coming up just a few moments from now. And there we have it, a second stage ignition for the second burn. And that will greatly increase the final altitude of the GovSat 1 in order for it to be able to move itself into the correct position at 36,000 kilometers. We've moved so far east at this point, we're just off the western coast of Africa, that we're very much in nighttime, which is why you can no longer see Earth in the background. That second stage burn continuing for a few more seconds. And then we have shutdown. We'll take a few moments to confirm that we're in the correct geostationary transfer orbit. And then a few minutes to make sure that the satellite is healthy.
GNC confirms good orbit insertion.
And we just got confirmation that the geostationary transfer orbit is in fact good, which is just the way we like it. We're going to take a few minutes now to make sure the payload is healthy and prepare for that payload deploy, which is the final step of the mission for SpaceX. And that payload deploy is coming up in a few minutes from now, so we'll take a quick break. But stay tuned. And at about T plus 32 minutes, we'll cut back in to show what we can of the payload deploy. An acquisition of signal from our station in South Africa. The next major event and the last important one for the mission for SpaceX is the payload deploy step, when we release the satellite from the second stage and allow it to continue on its geostationary transfer orbit, at which point it will circularize its orbit at 36,000 kilometers at 21.5 degrees east. And that payload deploy is going to look just like a gentle push away from the second stage. And it looks like we'll be having good live video of that. That payload deploy event coming up in just about 10 seconds from now.
Base up. Spacecraft separation confirmed.
And there we have it. Successful deploy of the payload, nice and smooth, and confirmed separation, just the way we like it. That concludes the live webcast and SpaceX's portion of today's mission. Thank you very much to GovSat 1 and SES for choosing us for this launch. Thank you to the Range and FAA for your support, and thank you for tuning in to watch today's mission. If you'd like to join us on our mission here at launching satellites and getting to Mars, check us out at spacex.com/careers. Otherwise, look for further updates on our social media accounts, including for Falcon Heavy, which is currently targeted for February 6th. Thanks again for joining us.